Nah, this is like fun. Oh, yeah, Fushigi time? I can't fucking close my hands. I can't fucking close my hands. Now I'm gonna try and drink water. I'm gonna put it on 15. I can't fucking close my hands. I can't. I literally can't fucking close my hands. Okay. It's like it's going through like, dude, it does like pulses. It's like you're at like one of those mall like massage things. Oh, it's so fucking hard. Yeah. I gotta put it down. I gotta put it down. I can't grab it. Oh my god. I'm stun locked. I'm stun locked.